Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Emily Freybler. So today's video, I'm trying out a mask. So this is gonna be a little bit different for my regular content, but I'm really excited because I was browsing Target and found this mask and it's called the Gold Radiance Water Rubber Mask. So it seems really cool, so let's get into it. Alright, so this mask comes in like a pretty big package. It's not like a regular sheet mask or something that comes in a jar. This is a one-use mask and it's $8.99. Like I said, this is the Gold Radiance Water Rubber Mask, and they have multiple different kinds, and I cannot wait to try them out, but this is the brightening and lifting one, so that's really exciting because I have, you know, acne scarring and stuff, so I obviously always want to brighten my skin and kind of like even out the skin tone of it. And then this says it is a luxurious Korean spa experience in 10 minutes. It's non-drying peel off. It's for all skin types and it's a spa results at home. I don't know if I said this, but it is $8.99, which is definitely up there in price for something that's like a one-time use mask. But if the results are really good, I feel like this would be amazing for special occasions and stuff like that, or like when you really want to treat yourself to a nice mask at home, but don't want to like go get a facial done or something like that. Hopefully the results are that good. So it comes in a kit and it has a mixing tray, a step 1 mask base, and a step 2 snow melting powder. That sounds very interesting. And then a spatula for you to mix it all up. Water rubber masks wrap skin in a hydrating rubber gel and effortlessly peel away to reveal radiant, supple skin. Each mask comes equipped with a mixing tray, powder, liquid base, and spatula. Everything you need to rubber mask at home. The Gold Radiance Water Rubber Mask features brightening licorice extract, soothing centella extract, revitalizing ginger extract, and luxurious gold extract to soothe and rejuvenate dull, tired skin. So I'm doing this in the morning, hoping that my makeup's gonna go on well, and my skin's gonna be nice and hydrated for the day. All I've done so far is wash my face with my CeraVe facial cleanser, and then I am using the hydrating micellar water as just kind of like a toner afterwards, just to make sure everything is off my skin and it's nice and hydrated. I really like this as well. It gives a little bit of like hyaluronic acid and ceramides and stuff into your face again. I do have a skincare routine up on my blog right now. If you guys want to check that out, I'll link it down below. So I'm going to open it up now. And like it says, it has these packets in the casing. It says, clean your face, mix 1 and 2 together for 40 seconds, apply over the face in 5 to 6 minutes, rest for 30 minutes, and then peel off. Wow, okay. I have my mixing tray. I have the 2 packets. This is step 1 and step 2, snow melting powder, and then my spatula as well. Dispense the contents of step 1 envelope into the tray and sprinkle the powder from the step 2 envelope on top. I think I'm gonna get a paper towel just in case this gets messy. I'm just gonna peel this back. Ooh, it looks white. Okay, so I just am dispensing. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. Just using the spatula to get the rest out. So it just looks like a bunch of slime in the actual tray right now. Okay, step 2 is sprinkle the powder from step 2 envelope on top. Mix with included spatula until a consistent paste is formed. So now I'm just mixing this stuff together, trying not to get this powder everywhere. So you're just supposed to mix this until a consistent paste is formed and it's starting to turn like a golden-y color. This is sweet. This is like an experience, like a science experiment right now. Okay, once we have a good consistency, now it just says to spread it on the face in like a thick, even layer. And it says start with the cheeks, chin, forehead, and then finish off with your nose. So let's do that. So it says to, whoa. I don't know if I'm supposed to apply with the spatula or with my finger. What do you guys think I should do? Okay, so it's hard to spread with the spatula. I'm gonna see if my fingers will spread it better. I do obviously have clean hands. It feels like nice and cooling, like just, I mean, a gel, like you would think. It's hard to get like a thick layer like they're saying. I mean, it's definitely thicker, but I don't know if it's thick enough, you know, and there's a lot left over, so I'm gonna try and just do it once maybe, and then see if I can get more on. Okay, so my forehead I feel like is working a little bit better maybe. Okay, so I'm just putting more on my cheek area. Like I said, I have a lot left. More down, and then I'm gonna go on my nose now. Oh, it feels so good, you guys. Like, so nice and cooling. So far, I feel like I'm gonna like this better than a sheet mask because you can like actually go about your day. Not like a normal day, but like I can go make my bed and do stuff like that without the mask like falling off my face, you know? I feel like the hardest part is getting this like even on my skin. Okay, so I'm gonna put some on my neck as well just because, hello, we need to remember to use products on our neck because your neck ages like really easily. So I'm just trying to use the rest of this up. It's really hard for me to get like an even layer. As you guys can see, it's like kind of, I don't know, bumpy, I guess. This is definitely an interesting mask and a different experience for at home. Okay, so this is what the mask looks like. It's very cool and like literally cooling. It feels very cooling on the skin. And so far I like it. It's just like a little bit difficult to get it nice and smooth on the skin. Hopefully that won't like, I don't know, make my results not as good or whatever. It says to leave on for 20 to 25 minutes until mask takes on a solid rubbery texture. Gently peel off and rinse away any residue with warm water. Follow with regular skincare. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wait 20 to 25 minutes until it dries and everything, and then I'll be back to show you guys my results and me peeling it off and everything. All right, you guys, it has been 25 minutes and it feels so weird. Like it stayed that cooling consistency this entire time and it feels super moisturizing. Like if you touch the rubber, it's like slimy a little bit and I feel like it moves around on my face as well. Like, I don't know if you can see it. Let's turn down the brightness a little bit so hopefully you can see, like, it's like slimy. Okay, let's try peeling this off now. Oh, wow, look at it just like slides off. So it just kind of slides off your face. It doesn't like pull or anything like a normal peel off mask. It just kind of like sloughs off. See how it just kind of starts falling off once the other pieces come off? Okay, so everything is off my face and I will say my face looks very glowy and it feels so nice and hydrated. It did say to go like kind of rinse your face off for the remaining residue to get off and then just follow with your normal skincare. So I'm gonna do that real quick and then I'll be back to kind of tell you my final thoughts. All right, you guys, so I literally just splashed my face with water and then put on my normal Olay moisturizer. Like I said, you can look up my skincare routine on my blog, but I really do love how my face looks. Like my normal moisturizer usually gives my face a glow, but even after I just kind of like splashed my face off, it's still, and like dried it, still had a nice glow to it. It feels nice and hydrated, which I honestly needed because I use different and sometimes it can make my face a little bit dry. I just think my face looks really nice. So this would be great for like before an event or something like that if you want your skin to look really nice. I think this just makes me look really nice and awake. Would I do it every single week? Probably not because it's $8.99 and I just personally don't want to spend that much. But if you really like the results, then I think this would be beautiful before like an event. There are different types of these masks, like a hydrating one and a bunch of, I think there's like 2 others at Target that I saw. So I might go try those as well. If you guys have a fun beauty product that you want me to try so you guys don't have to, then please let me know down below in the comments. And I would love to try them out because I love trying new products. So I hope you guys liked this video. I know it was a little different for me, but thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in a video very, very soon. Bye, guys.